Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how transparent logo outline using fill and stroke. Let's make a transparent logo outline using stroke and fill. Place your logo PNG on a dark background. Double click the layer to open layer styles. Reduce the fill to 0%. This hides the logo but fills keeps the stroke visible. Now enable stroke and select bright accent color. Set position to center and size between 4 to 6 px. You will now see a clean logo outline appear. Try using gradient stroke for a glowing effect. You can even add outer glow to make it pop. This technique is great for interiors or motion posters. Add